Welcome to the GS1 Australia online training tutorials. Online training in a flash. GS1 Locatenet is a central directory of GS1 standard, unique, global location numbers or GLNs which identify physical, operational and legal locations. GS1 Locatenet supports the healthcare industry's use of GLNs for price locations in the National Product Catalogue. The service provides the ability to share standard location master data between trading partners, such as the location name, address, and other key functional and contact details. This location master data enables a range of supply chain applications and processes such as e-messaging, inventory management, traceability, product recalls, and many others. GS1 Locatenet was developed by industry for industry, and it is the most advanced location master data directory of its kind. GS1 Australia delivers this service to industry on a cost recovery basis. Now, let's have a closer look at GS1 Locatenet. GS1 Locatenet is only available to authorised users that have completed the registration process. Once you have registered with GS1 Australia as a GS1 Locatenet subscriber, you will receive an email with a company alias, a user ID, and a user password. To log in, you must have read the GS1 Locatenet Terms and Conditions of Use, which is a downloadable PDF file, and you must tick this box to agree with these terms and conditions. After login, the user lands on the GS1 Locatenet homepage as shown. Before we provide an overview of GS1 Locatenet's key functionality, we want to tell you about how you can contribute to the ongoing development of this service. As you can see, at the bottom of the page there is a link for feedback. This link will take you to an online feedback form designed to capture your experiences in using GS1 Locatenet, both good and bad, and right at the time when you experience it. The online feedback form will open in a new window, allowing you to complete the form, submit and close the form without having to exit GS1 Locatenet. Once you submit your feedback, a copy will be sent to you via email. GS1 Australia reviews all user feedback as this becomes the basis for the GS1 Locatenet development roadmap. We want to ensure GS1 Locatenet delivers the greatest possible value, and for this, we need to hear from you. Now, let's take a look at GS1 Locatenet's key functions. By looking at the left-hand menu, we can quickly identify the key functions of GS1 Locatenet. In summary, these key functions include: under the My GLN section, Company Details enables you to maintain your company and key contact information. All User Profiles is the area you access when you want to create new users in your company, update existing user records, or terminate user accounts. My User Profile, as the name suggests, allows you to maintain your own user details, including username and password. If you ever forgot your password and request the system to reset and send you a new one, please ensure you come here to change your password to something you would remember later. Add and edit My GLNs is where most of the work is done. Here, users with the right level of access can add and maintain GLN records for your company. The Transactions area provides a full audit trail of activity in your GS1 Locatenet catalogue. Please note that this function covers the adding and editing of GLNs. Other activity, such as user account maintenance or search history, is not maintained in the Transactions area. Auto alerts are emailed notifications sent to your GS1 Locatenet company administrators when selected trading partners change their GLN data. Selecting a trading partner is easy under Auto Alerts. All you do is find the company you want to receive alerts from, tick the box next to their name and save. Directory Search allows you to search across the entire GS1 Locatenet directory for specific GLN records or a range of GLN records. You can filter your search results by adjusting a range of search criteria and then download your search results to a spreadsheet. News provides you with a summary of all companies that have recently registered for GS1 Locatenet. You may review this list from time to time to identify new companies you want to receive auto alerts from. We hope this high-level overview has enabled you to get on your way to leveraging GS1 Locatenet. Please remember that there are specific online tutorials that cover the key functions in more detail. Tutorials are available for Add and Edit My GLNs, Auto Alerts and Directory Search. Thank you for viewing this online tutorial, and we look forward to your feedback.